I briefly want to review the settings on Google's Family Link because I love it so much. I just feel so much safer with my kids on their phones. So if you come into Google's Family Link and you click on your kid, then you click Manage Settings. And the first thing, I'm just going to go through the first few controls on Google Play. So come in here and like for them to download any apps or anything, I have it set where all content has to be approved. So I get a notification on my phone. So I love having that set up. Then for apps, like they don't even see apps in the Play Store that are teen, mature, 17, 18, so they just see everyone 10 plus, the other ones. So I just have that set up. They won't even see them. And then, well, I have this set. The movies, TV, books, music, all those restrictions are on, as you can see. They can come in and so they won't see explicit content such as that. And then I have set on Google Chrome for a browser. Only certain sites are allowed, and then they would have to request if they want a different site. So I just have it set because I just want them not to be able to browse very much. Filters on Google search. I just have safe search turned on. Then YouTube filters, I have restricted mode turned on. And then Android apps. I love this. I don't currently set time limits on their apps just because I haven't found that I've needed to yet. So, but you can set limits on each app if you wanted to do that. So someday I probably will have to do that, but currently I do not. So on the rest of the info is just private info like location, account info, account supervision, etc., etc. But really, these settings make me feel so much safer about having my kids on their phones when I'm not looking over their shoulder all the time. So if you're not using it currently, please do it. You'll love it.